Hi, I'm Enchanting Nubianette. Welcome back. And if you're viewing my channel for the first time, welcome. Everyone, here is another shocking and devastating news story about predatory violators who pose as upstanding citizens in our society. Three successful brothers who appear to have it all: a tight knit, wealthy family, a real estate empire, great social skills, millionaire status, very attractive features with a chisel physique, and more. All of these characteristics going on for them, but they have criminal minds, allegedly. The Alexander brothers, the eldest, Tal, and twins Orrin and Alan, have been arrested on federal charges related to a wide reaching sexual assault and trafficking investigation. The charges stem from allegations that the brothers used their wealth and status to lure dozens of women into situations where they were drugged and sexually assaulted repeatedly. Even worse, allegedly, the first assaults took place in 2010, continued through until 2016, 2021, and 2023. The investigation, which involved the Miami Beach Police Department, Miami DAD, I'll call it, or DADE, State Attorney's Office, and the FBI, uncovered a pattern of behavior dating back decades, like I mentioned. The brothers allegedly used promises of luxury experience to entice women to private locations, flying them off in their private jets, top tier yachts, where they were then forcibly gang raped, and sexually assaulted. Some victims reported being drugged and left unable to move or to resist in order to protect themselves. This is so horrendous, everyone, because these men had such upstanding reputations. These women feared for their lives and they are traumatized. It took every ounce of courage for them to tell their truth. The charges include multiple counts of sexual battery, with incidents reported again as early as 2010. Oh my goodness, 14 years or more. The indictment describes a long running scheme where the brothers provided material benefits such as travel and luxury, accommodations like jewelry, jet flying, vacations to facilitate their crimes. The Alexander brothers, Tal, Orrin, and Alan Alexander, are all well known figures in the luxury real estate market, with significant operations in both New York City and Miami, Florida. They initially gained their prominence working with Douglas Elliman Real Estate firm before founding their own firm, Official. Their business focuses on high end properties, including those in the Hamptons and Aspen. In New York City, the Alexander brothers have brokered numerous high profile deals, including the sale of a $50 million property on Indian Creek Island, known as a billionaire bunker, which set a record for the most expensive home sold in Miami Dade at the time. Their success in the luxury market has made them prominent figures, and they're so well known and respected. They were respected. But currently, all three brothers have denied these allegations. However, the legal battles are significantly impacting their public image and business operations. Now they are looking pitiful, wearing hunter green vests, trying to play the victim role. Then, would you believe this, everyone? Orrin interrupts the court proceedings to tell the judge that his wife is 9 months pregnant and he needs to be at the hospital to give his wife support. This brute is expecting his firstborn. Now, if these allegations are true, the case needs to be sped up, excuse me. He doesn't need to have any influence or presence in that child's life, not with his horrible character and crimes, allegedly. This is a level of arrogance and selfishness that he's still focusing on his immediate needs, not the victims. Thankfully, the brothers will be held without bond. Awesome. Now, despite their professional achievements, the Alexander brothers now face a complex legal future with the real estate industry, and their clients closely watching the developments of their federal criminal cases. Everyone, what is this obsession that some people have with controlling others? Why is there such an urge to overpower, harm, and demean someone else? In my opinion, these men inherited riches from a prominent family along with sick and evil genetics. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. What do you think about this case? And thanks a million. Stay safe wherever you are.
Early as well. We know all three Alexander brothers now locked up, two of them, as mentioned, facing a Miami-Dade judge this morning.
Attorneys here with your parents.
The twin real estate tycoons, Oren and Alon Alexander, both facing a Miami-Dade judge.
Also, your family's in court as well.
The brothers have a luxury real estate family, now using an attorney to broker a deal with the courts.
This defendant has access to private planes, private boats. He is a flight risk.
The Alexander brothers, accused of being sexual predators, charged with sexual battery in an alleged case from nearly a decade ago.
This charge, while it allegedly occurred back in 2016, is still considered a dangerous crime, even though it's filed today.
This first incident, some might refer to as a gang rape.
From power, prestige, and wealth to now a hunter green vest.
Sir, you have 3 cases.
During the court proceedings, Oren asking to be let out.
Your Honor? Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Don't talk about the facts, though. Your attorney's here.
Your Honor, my wife is 9 months pregnant, due any day now with our first child. Her family's in Brazil. She's counting on me to be with her during labor.
That's something. You have a very good attorney. You're gonna have a hearing tomorrow before the division judge, and that judge will consider any argument regarding a bond. Because they filed this motion for pretrial detention, I'm required by law to grant it because this is considered a dangerous crime. Plus, I have the other 2 cases I need to look at.
There's also a federal